Good morning folks, welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. I'm really proud to present this Rover 75 1.8 SE. It's on a 2000 on an X plate and it's absolutely stunning. It's done 32,000 miles if memory serves me. We have been busy with loads and loads and loads of other cars and customers' cars as well. So apologies for the lack of videos recently. There will be more coming. We've got loads more jobs on. We'll be doing another video next week actually on an XKR workshop job. But just for today, we've got this Rover. We've fully prepped it. It's had 4 new tyres. It's had new disc pads at the front. It's had new pads at the back. It's had a full new exhaust system. What else has it had? 2 new wiper blades. It's had an oil and filter, air filter, 4 brand new iridium plugs, and it's been fully checked over. Antifreeze has been changed, brake fluid's been changed. So there you go. It's got a tow bar on, which has been on it from forever, I think. It's had very few owners if memory serves me. It came in part exchange to us, but it did need prepping. We've machine polished it, we've cleaned all the interior. It's got a lovely cloth interior with the contrasting piping. It's got a proper full genuine Rover rubber mat set, original set, and this is a Cowley car for the people in the know. This was built at Cowley, so it's one of the proper ones. And there you go, you see, look, full leather steering wheel. It's got air conditioning, which is ice cold. You can hear the fan cutting in and out. It's just been MOT'd for a year. No advisories. And there's no rips, no tears, no damage. Carpets are lovely. Back seat's lovely. Again, rear, proper genuine Rover mats. Electric windows at the front, windy windows at the back. It's got electric mirrors. But yeah, I mean, underneath's fantastic. Underneath the car is absolutely fantastic. All the wheels are original and nice. It's got proper original factory mud flaps on it. But yeah, what a car. I wouldn't have taken this car in part exchange. I very rarely take cars in part exchange, if I'm honest. But I just saw this, I thought, it's got the makings of a really nice car, low mileage. It's, like I say, 1.8, it's a non-turbo version. It's just had a cam belt, water pump, tensioner, and 2 auxiliary belts as well while it's been here. As you can see, look at it, it's absolutely gorgeous. Lovely colour as well, suits the car. Right, let's have a quick look in here. Oh. Yeah, done 32,835 miles from new. Temperatures up there, look, on normal. It's got quite a bit of fuel in it actually. Radio cassette, so we're going back a bit there. It has got remote central locking. And it's got a lovely headliner. Really nice. Nice and clean. Lovely glove box. It's got all the little original rubber mats in, you know, where they should do, so things don't slide around. I love these Rover 75s. I've always loved them since the first came out. I've had a few over the years, but look at the dash. I love the dials. Blast from the 50s is that. But yeah, lovely. Anyway, we'll have a look in the boot. Underneath the bonnet, and you can see. Look at that in there, absolutely beautiful. It's got CD stacker there. And inside the boot, as you can see, it's got the spare wheel and a toolkit which has only just been pierced just for the locking wheel nut. What more do you want? Really good. Right, let's have a look underneath the bonnet. Windscreen's lovely, no chips, no damage, no scratches in the glass. Just bear with me a second while I open this bonnet. There you go. Cooling fan coming in and out, obviously. Well, it's for the air conditioning because we've got it on ice cold. It's ice cold as the air conditioning. Can you believe that on a 2000 25-year-old car? Brilliant. Like I say, auxiliary belts, cam belt, everything been done. Just turn that aircon off a second so you can hear me. Yeah, new battery as well under there, but we give it a clean by hand underneath the engine bay. We don't pressure wash them. But yeah, just a really nice, original, honest car, which is what we like. Now, after waxing really lyrical about the car, unfortunately it is sold. This car was, like I say, taken in part exchange. It was outside. It was just waiting in queue like the rest of them to be prepared. A friend of mine who's a customer, who's got a Jaguar, he comes down for servicing and repairs and bits and pieces, and he said his friend would love a car like this. He suggested it to him, and they both came down, had a look at it, and he said, yeah, I love it. So that was a case of having to get it prepared and jump the queue, but obviously sold cars jump the queue. So we got it all prepared for him, and he's going to collect it shortly this morning on this lovely sunny day. So thank you very much to Paul, who's our customer, who suggested this car to his friend. I'm very grateful. I know he's a big follower of our YouTube channel, so I thought I'd give him a shout out. But yeah, what a lovely car. I'm really proud to stock cars like this. They're just really hard to come by. Even got the original size number plate on the back, look. The other thing I will say is, if there's anybody out there, because we used to sell a few of these at one time, and the MG ZT versions. If there's anybody out there who's got a very clean, rust-free Rover 75 with like 30,000 miles, well, 35,000 miles or less, perhaps a Connoisseur SE with the leather and electric seats and bits and pieces in, or an MG ZT with, obviously, that's as mint as this car that you've seen on the advert on this video. If it's as mint as this and it's as well looked after, because this has got full Rover service history. It even went to an independent Rover specialist after Rover finished, and that's where it's always been for its maintenance. So it's always been well looked after and used all, you know, I mean, when I did the oil and filter, it was all genuine parts that I was taking off. I could tell, you know, they've got the logos on. So if you've got one out there that you think is as mint as this, no dents, no scuffs, no damage, really well looked after, and it's low mileage, and you're thinking of parting with it, then give us a shout, because I'd like to buy it from you, potentially. Like I say, they have to have clean MOT history. We don't want any, you know, previous advisories for welding and rust and stuff like that. And I know that's a big ask because they're an old car now, but they are around. They are around, and they're very popular. And if I could find a really nice, like I say, Connoisseur SE with between, I don't know, 15,000 miles and 35,000 miles, I would buy it if it was in a nice colour as well. But most of them are, to be fair, they're in just like fairly steady metallics, aren't they? So they all look okay. Even the pale metallic green looks all right, really. So yeah, give us a shout on 07759 938 395. Sorry to announce it's sold, but like I say, it was just that somebody had caught it before we even advertised it properly. It was on the website, but there was no information or photographs or videos, because obviously it was still in line for prep. But yeah, proper car, lovely car. Really pleased with that one. So I hope you've enjoyed looking around this Rover 75 with us. They're a lovely car, aren't they? You know, I've always had a real soft spot for these 75s. I think and they drive lovely. You know, when they're right, they're lovely cars. And I remember when they were new, and I remember driving them when they were fairly new as well. I always liked them. But yeah, if you've got a Connoisseur SE, and it's an automatic, even better. If it's a manual, doesn't matter really. and if it's been well maintained, give us a shout, and I'd like to try and buy it from you if I can. We'll try and get a few of these in if we can, because they're just such good value for money cars. Anyway, there you go. Thanks very much for watching. Give us a shout if you have anything that we might be interested in, Jaguar or Rover wise, and we'll see you next time on the next video. Thanks for now. Bye.